Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 6.2. So yesterday maybe I said up to fourth problem, and we'll continue with the fifth problem onwards. Okay. Now find the number of terms in each of the following APs. The first question is, so this is in fifth second question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs, and the given AP as 18, 15 1 by 2, 13, etc. minus 47. Okay, now we'll see here. The question is 18, 15 1 by 2, 13, etc. minus 47. What he is asking is find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So A1 is first term, that is 18. A2 is second term, A3 is 13, like that. How many terms are there in this progression? And it is nth term, AN. It is minus 47. How many terms are there? Means what he is asking the value of n. Just it is same like fourth problem only. Now we'll simplify this one. So in fifth, it is second problem. Now A1 means it is first term. Okay, first term is A1. How much they given? You can also write A. It is 18. Second term is denoted with A2. This is 15 1 by 2. 15 1 by 2 is mixed fraction. You have to convert into improper by multiplying 2 with 15. These two you have to multiply. 2 15s are 30, and the product should be added to this one. So 30 plus 1, 31. 31 by 2. So I converted mixed fraction into improper. Then what you have to do is common difference. You have to find common difference. So common difference formula is, common difference is denoted with a small d only. You should not use capital D. Always you have to use small d for common difference. So common difference formula is A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. Second term is 31 by 2. First term is 18. So 18 is a natural number and 31 by 2 is a fraction, rational number. So from rational number, if you want to subtract a natural number, you have to take LCM. For 2 and 1, the LCM is 2. 2 how many times will go means 1 time. 1 into 31, 31 only. 1 how many times will go in 2 means 2 times. 2 into 18, it becomes 36. 31 minus 36. So you are getting minus 5 by 2. So what is minus 5 by 2? It is the value of D. You got D value. So we know A value and also we know D value. We know A value and we know D value. So what you have to do is, you have to find n value, you have to find it. For that what you have to do is, in progression they given last term as minus 47. So last term in the progression. So what is the last term in the progression? Last term can be represented with L or AN. So AN is nth term, L is last term. Both are same. How much they given? Minus 47 is given. So what is the formula for last term? AN formula is A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 47. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 47. So you know the values of A and D. Substitute it. Where A is there you have to substitute 18. N we don't know, we have to keep like that only. and the D value we got as minus 5 by 2. You have to enclose inside the brackets. Its value becomes minus 47. Now simplification how we have to do. First you can't take this minus 5 by 2 to this side because other than this you have 18 plus. First you have to take 18 to this side. So here n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 will be there like that only. Minus 47 plus 18 if it is going to this side, minus 18. Okay. Now both are minus means I said to write same symbol. Add these two. 47 plus 8 is 55. 55 plus 10 is 65. So you are getting minus 65. And n minus 1 you have to keep it here only. Minus 5 by 2 you have to take to this side. Then it becomes minus 2 by 5. The multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 2 is minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 you have to take to this side. Then 5 is in denominator, 65 is in numerator. So you can cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 13s are 5 13s are 65. 13 is having minus, 2 is having minus. Minus into minus becomes plus only. 13 2s are 26. So n minus 1 is equals to 26 means n is equals to 26 plus 1. So n is equals to 27. So 27th term is minus 47. 27th term is minus 47. A1, A2, A3, etc. In this progression, how many terms are there? He is asking. So how many terms are there means 27 terms are there. So it is in fifth, second problem. Okay. Then we will go for sixth question. So sixth question, what he is asking is check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. So it's very important question. So what he is asking is, he given one arithmetic progression. Okay, in this arithmetic progression, will you get it? Will you get minus 150 or not? He is asking. Okay, so you are getting it or not? How you have to do? How you have to take? Means an you have to write it as, see, first term you have to write it same like this only. First term is denoted with a only, that is 11. Second term you have to write it. What is second term? A2, 8. Common difference you have to write. Common difference denoted with D. Formula is A2 minus A1. If anyone will ask what is the formula for common difference means, you have to say A2 minus A1. So A2 is 8 minus A1 is 11. 8 is smaller number, 11 is somewhat bigger number when compared to 8. Bigger number is having minus symbol, 8 is having plus symbol. So you have to do subtraction. If opposite symbols are there, you have to do subtraction. Bigger number having which symbol, that symbol will come in the answer. So in answer minus you have to write it. From 11 subtract 8, you are getting 3. So common difference you got as 3. Okay. Now in this progression, if you are going on writing 11, 8, 5, 2, etc., minus 150 will be a term in this progression or not, he is asking. So for that what you have to do is, let nth term of this AP be minus 150. You are assuming an is minus 150. So an is equals to minus 150. What is the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 150. A means 11, you have to write it. N value we don't know. D value we know that it is minus 3. Don't write minus 3 like this. D is multiplying to n minus 1. If you write like this, n minus 1 minus 3 means you are subtracting here. Are you subtracting minus 3 with n minus 1 or minus 3 or multiplying to n minus 1? You have to think of. So if you are multiplying, you have to enclose inside the brackets. Now bring 11 to this side. This n minus 1 into minus 3, keep it as it is. Minus 150 minus 11. So both are minus means minus symbol you have to keep and do addition. So you are getting minus 161. So next n minus 1 into minus 3 is there here like this only. So n minus 1 make a subject, minus 161 by minus 3, minus minus cancelled. So you know divisible rule of 3. 161 digits, if you add 1 plus 6 plus 1, you are getting 8 only. So it won't go in 3 table. So n is equals to 161 by 3 plus 1. If you take LCM, 3 will come. 161 plus 3, 164 by 3. 164 by 3, if you do division, 3 5s are 15, 14 is there, 3 4s are 12, 2 is remained. You are getting a 54 2 by 3. What you should understand is, this n value, you have to get a natural number. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, etc. like this. 54, 55 like that. But you got a fraction. Rational number, you got it. So if you got rational number, this number does not exist in this progression. 1 by 2th term, it won't be there. 3 by 4th term, 54 2 by 3 terms won't be there. So this should be particularly a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that numbers should be there. Other than number, if you got a mixed fraction or improper fraction, if you got it, it is wrong. Okay, wrong means that minus 150 does not be a term in this progression. At last you have to write answer as minus 150 is not a term in this progression. You have to write answer like that. Okay. Now we will go to the next problem. So these problems are very important for your annual examination. I can't say all the problems. Okay, you have to do as homework only. Which one? So we'll see 7th question. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. See here, 11th term A11 is 38 given. 11th term is 38. So A11 given. We know formula for AN. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D. So A11, if you apply this formula for A11, A plus 11 minus 1 into D or not? A plus 11 minus 1 into D is equals to 38. Okay. 11 minus 1, from 11 if you subtract 1, how much you are getting? 10. A plus 10D is equals to 38. Okay. Now keep this as equation number 1. Then what you have to do? What he given? 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73. So A16 is 73 given for us. A16, you can write A plus 16 minus 1 into D is equals to 73. A plus 16 minus 1 is 15. A plus 15D is equal to 73. It is equation number 2. So A's coefficient, here also A is there, here also A is there. If you do subtraction, if you do second equation minus first equation, if you do, A's will be gets cancelled and you will get the value of D. Like A plus 15D is equals to 73 is upside. A plus 10D is equals to 38 is downwards. So minus 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 like that. A minus A will be cancelled. From 15D, if you subtract 10D, you are getting 5D. So from 73, you have to subtract 38. So 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3, 35. D is equals to 35 by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So you are getting D is equals to 7. If you know the value of D, we can find out the value of A by substituting D value in 1 or 2. So A plus 10 into D means 7 is equals to 38. Because A11 is equal to 38 is given, in this equation number 1, in place of D I kept 7. 10 sevens are how much? 70 is equals to 38. A is equals to 38 minus 70. So 38 minus 70 means minus, you have to write it. From 70 you have to subtract 38. You are getting 32. So A value how much you got here? Minus 32 you got it. So A you know, D you know. What you have to do? He is asking to find a 31st term. Means A31 you have to find it. What is the formula for A31? A plus 31 minus 1 into D. What is A? A value how much you got here? Minus 32. So in place of A I am writing minus 32. From 31 if you subtract 1 you are getting 30. D means how much you are getting? D means 7. Okay, it is minus 32. Okay, 37s are 210. So 210 is having plus, 32 is having minus. So opposite symbols are there. I said to do subtraction. From 210 subtract 32. From 0 you can't subtract 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 10 minus 3 is 7. 1. You are getting 178. So what is A31? 178. So like these problems you have to do as homework. Okay. So we'll see remaining in next class. Thank you.